Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start a topic which is related to the properties of the nitrogen. You know that nitrogen is the first element of its group, and that is the element of the group number 15. Now, because of nitrogen is the first member, it has some kind of differences with the other elements which are present in the same group. And what are the basic reasons which are responsible for this? That nitrogen has differences in its properties with the other elements which are present in a particular group. So, what condition we have there? Our topic is anomalous properties of nitrogen. In this, what we have, what kind of differences nitrogen has with the other elements present in its same group. The basic things which are responsible for the differences: exceptionally small atomic size. The nitrogen atom is exceptionally very small with comparison to the other elements which are present in group. Nitrogen has the high electronegativity. Electronegativity means to power to attract the electron towards itself. That is known as electronegativity. Nitrogen has high ionization enthalpy. High ionization means ionization enthalpy means the energy required in the removal of electron. Absence of d orbital in its valence shell. Absence of d orbital in its valence shell. D orbitals are absent in their valence shell. So these are the reasons responsible for the anomalous behavior of the nitrogen. Now, due to these, some important characteristic properties are shown by the nitrogen. Which properties are these? We are going to discuss in our this class. So the first point is p pi multiple bond formation. P pi multiple bond formation. It means nitrogen forms the multiple bonds like double bond, triple bond with the same other nitrogen atom or with the another atoms like carbon, oxygen, etc. So nitrogen has a tendency to form the these bonds. Second property, it has the property of catenation. It has the property of catenation. The elements of group number 15 shows the property of catenation. Catenation means self-linking property. Catenation means self-linking. One atom attached with the another atom. So that is known as the property of the self-linking of the atoms. The reason being that the element bond strength of these elements is much lower than that of the carbon. Carbon bond strength is high. Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start the details of the dinitrogen. Dinitrogen, just see, generally when we study, we have this, that is topic is dinitrogen, and in this dinitrogen we have to discuss the preparation, properties and uses. Preparation, properties and uses. We have to study about these following topics from this dinitrogen. Now, in the laboratory, when we prepare the dinitrogen in lab method, we prepare the dinitrogen by the use of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite. Ammonium chloride aqueous plus sodium nitrite aqueous. Then we get the ammonium nitrite aqueous plus the second is we have NaCl aqueous. Okay, NH4NO2 and NaCl aqueous. Now we have NH4NO2 aqueous. Then when the decomposition of this ammonium nitrite, that is ammonium nitrite, when the decomposition of this ammonium nitrite takes place, when we heat this, we get the N2 gas plus H2O liquid. N2 gas plus H2O liquid there in this case. So that is the first method. Second, by the thermal decomposition of sodium azide. By thermal decomposition of sodium azide. You all know that the sodium azide is NaN3. Sodium azide is NaN3. When we have this NaN3 and on the temperature of 573 Kelvin, this sodium azide get decomposed and we get this sodium Na, and with this the removal of nitrogen takes place. Removal of nitrogen takes place in this particular case. So these are the general methods used in the preparation of the dinitrogen. Now next, what kind of general properties are present in this dinitrogen? Just see physical properties. In these properties, first we have physical properties. In physical properties, the generally dinitrogen colorless, tasteless, non-toxic gas. Colorless, tasteless, non-toxic gas. Colorless, tasteless, non-toxic gas is dinitrogen. But animals die in it for want of oxygen. Nitrogen has two isotopes, N14 and N15. It has two isotopes. Two isotopes are present there, slightly soluble in water. Slightly soluble in water, slightly soluble in water, it is adsorbed by the activated charcoal. Adsorbed by the activated charcoal. Absorbed by the activated charcoal. So these physical properties generally shown by the dinitrogen which we have. Now after this we have the chemical properties. Which chemical properties are present in this dinitrogen molecule? Just see. Chemical properties. In its chemical properties, what we have, the first action with litmus